A love that never was. Once upon a time, in a quiet town named Maplewood, there was a girl named Emma. Emma lived in a small house with her parents and her little brother, Sam. Emma was kind and loved to help others. She had many friends at school and was always smiling. Emma had a secret. She was in love with a boy named Alex. Alex was in the same class as Emma. He had brown hair, green eyes, and a warm smile. Alex was smart and played the guitar very well. Emma thought Alex was the nicest boy in the world. She admired him from a distance, but never had the courage to tell him how she felt. Every day, Emma would see Alex in the schoolyard. He would be sitting under a big oak tree, strumming his guitar. Emma loved listening to his music. It made her heart feel happy and sad at the same time. She often imagined what it would be like to talk to him, to be friends with him, or even to hold his hand. One day, Emma was walking to school when she saw Alex sitting on the steps of the school building. He looked sad. Emma's heart ached to see him like that. She wanted to go up to him and ask if he was okay, but she was too scared. She walked past him, trying not to look, but she could not stop thinking about him all day. As days went by, Emma noticed that Alex was always alone. He never joined groups of friends or talked much with others. Emma wanted to be his friend, but she was too shy. She was afraid that if she tried to talk to him, he might not like her. She was also afraid of what people might say. One afternoon, Emma was sitting in the school library, reading a book. She heard the sound of the guitar and looked up. Alex was sitting at a table near the window, playing softly. Emma watched him, her heart fluttering. She admired his skill and the way he closed his eyes when he played. It was like he was in a different world. Emma wanted to talk to him, to tell him how beautiful his music was. But she couldn't find the right words. Instead, she stayed hidden behind her book, listening to the sweet melodies. One day, the school announced a talent show. Emma was excited. She had always dreamed of singing in front of an audience. She decided to join the talent show and practice every day. She hoped that by participating, she might get a chance to talk to Alex and maybe even become friends. As the talent show approached, Emma practiced hard. She sang her favorite songs and practiced her dance moves. She also watched Alex practice his guitar. She could see that he was very focused and worked very hard. Emma admired his dedication. The day of the talent show arrived. The school gym was decorated with colorful lights and banners. Students and parents filled the seats. Emma felt nervous but excited. She was ready to perform. When it was Emma's turn, she went on stage with her heart pounding. She sang her favorite song and danced with joy. The audience clapped and cheered. Emma felt happy and proud of herself. She glanced at Alex, who was sitting in the front row, and saw that he was smiling. Her heart skipped a beat. After Emma's performance, it was Alex's turn. He went on stage with his guitar. He played a beautiful, slow song. The audience was quiet, listening to the sweet music. Emma watched Alex, feeling a mix of happiness and sadness. She loved his music but knew that her feelings for him were unspoken. As the show ended, the students gathered in the schoolyard. Emma saw Alex talking to some friends. She wanted to approach him, but she hesitated. She felt nervous and unsure of what to say. Then something unexpected happened. Alex walked over to Emma. He looked at her with a warm smile and said, "Emma, you were amazing today. I loved your performance." Emma's cheeks turned red. "Thank you, Alex. Your music was wonderful too." Alex smiled and said, "I'm glad you liked it. I've seen you practicing a lot. You really worked hard." Emma felt a surge of happiness. "Thank you. I've always admired your guitar playing. It's very beautiful." Alex's smile widened. "Thanks. I play because I love it. I think you have a great voice. Maybe we can perform together sometime." Emma was thrilled. That would be amazing. From that day on, Emma and Alex started talking more. They became friends and shared their interests. They talked about music, books, and dreams. Emma felt happy to be around Alex, even though she still had feelings for him that she kept to herself. One day, Emma heard that Alex had started dating another girl named Lily. Lily was new at school and very friendly. She was kind and had a bright personality. Emma felt a pang of sadness but tried to be happy for Alex. She knew that she couldn't change his feelings, and she wanted to respect his happiness. Emma continued to be friends with Alex. She supported him and cheered for him. She saw how happy he was with Lily and felt a mix of emotions. She was glad for Alex but also felt a little heartbroken. Emma learned to accept her feelings and focus on the joy of their friendship. Time passed, and Emma grew more confident. She became known for her singing and dancing talents. She participated in many school events and even performed at community festivals. Alex and Lily often attended these events and cheered for Emma. One day, Emma was sitting on a park bench, feeling content. She thought about her journey with Alex and how much she had grown. She realized that even though her love for Alex was one-sided, it had taught her a lot. It had taught her about courage, friendship, and the beauty of unspoken love. Emma looked up at the sky and smiled. She felt grateful for the memories and the friendship she had with Alex. She knew that sometimes love is not about having someone with you, but about cherishing the moments and growing from the experience. And so, Emma continued to live her life with joy and kindness. She remained friends with Alex and supported him in his journey. She found happiness in her own path and learned that love, even when one-sided, can be a beautiful part of life. The voiceover in this video is provided by English Gum. Copying or re-uploading is strictly prohibited.